You will never forget your Yestermorrow experience. It's one of a kind. Every class gives you the tools and knowledge to think for yourself, to solve problems, and to make things you never thought possible. Yestermorrow's approach combines yesterday's dedication to craft, beauty, and durability with today's technologies to prepare for the challenges of tomorrow. The school is rooted in problem solving. We aim to be brave enough, free enough, and nimble enough to ask difficult questions. Here, you learn to ask why, as you get hands-on experience and a feel for tools and materials. We teach students from all walks of life how to build the world better. Better for themselves, for others, and for the planet itself. It happens fast here. You experience an accelerated feedback loop in our courses, culminating in knowledge that could otherwise take years to learn. Come to Yestermorrow to learn with other curious, inspired makers. Come to reconnect with yourself and your sense of what it means to be human.